In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the DLL not allowed error in MetaTrader 5. This message usually appears when an expert advisor needs to call a Windows DLL and MetaTrader is blocking it for safety. We'll walk through the exact settings to enable, how to reattach your EA so the permissions stick, and what to check in Windows if the file is still blocked. Start by opening MetaTrader 5. Go to the top menu and choose Tools, then Options. In the Options window, open the Expert Advisors tab. Here, make sure Allow Algorithmic Trading is checked, as many EAs won't run without it. Then, check Allow DLL Imports. This permission lets your EA communicate with the DLL. Click OK to save these settings. If these boxes were already checked, it's still worth toggling them off and back on, then clicking OK to refresh the permission state. Next, reattach the Expert Advisor to the chart so it picks up the new settings. Remove the EA from the chart, then drag it back onto the same chart from the Navigator panel. When the EA settings window appears, double-check that Allow DLL Imports is enabled there as well. Some EAs have their own per instance permission that overrides the global setting, so confirming it here prevents confusion. Now enable auto trading. Click the auto trading button on the top toolbar. It should turn green, indicating that trading and EA operations are allowed. If it stays red, the EA won't run, even if DLL permissions are correct. If the error still appears, restart MetaTrader 5 to clear any cached state. After it reopens, confirm your settings are still in place. Then, verify the DLL is installed where the EA expects it. Go to File in the top menu and select Open Data folder. Place the DLL in the correct folder as required by the EA's documentation. Many use MQL5 libraries, though some may specify a different subfolder. If Windows is blocking the DLL, right-click the DLL file, choose Properties, and click Unblock if that button is available, then apply the change. As an extra step, try running MetaTrader 5 as an administrator by right-clicking the MetaTrader 5 icon and selecting Run as administrator. This can resolve permission issues on some systems. Finally, only allow DLLs from trusted sources. Enabling DLL imports gives powerful access to your system, so use it carefully. With these checks complete, your EA should run without the DLL not allowed error.